How did ancestral Puebloans build massive multi-story great houses? Imagine standing in front of a towering stone building with dozens of rooms stacked high, built over 1,000 years ago. How did they manage to create such impressive structures without modern tools? Let's find out. The ancestral Puebloans, who lived in what is now the southwestern United States, built these huge multi-story great houses using clever techniques and teamwork. They mainly used local sandstone, which they shaped into blocks. These blocks were laid in horizontal layers, creating sturdy walls. To make the walls last longer and support multiple floors, they used a core and veneer method. The inside of the wall was made from roughly shaped stones, while the outside was carefully fitted with smaller, well-shaped stones for strength and appearance. They also coated the walls with plaster made from mud or clay to keep out rain and weather. The thick base walls showed they planned 4 upper stories from the start. Wooden beams were essential for supporting floors and roofs. These beams came from trees like ponderosa pine, spruce, fir, and Douglas fir. Since these trees didn't grow near Chaco Canyon, the builders had to carry heavy logs from forest over 50 miles away. Archaeologists believe they used simple tools like fabric loops around their heads to help lift and move the logs. The beams were placed in rows, with main beams spanning large spaces and secondary beams filling in between. The layout of these buildings was carefully planned, often facing south to catch sunlight and stay warm. Some great houses, like Pueblo Bonito, had hundreds of rooms and up to 5 stories high. Building these structures took a lot of work and organization. The ancestral Puebloans probably worked in groups, with different people doing specific jobs like quarrying stone, shaping wood, and laying bricks. This shows they had a high level of planning and teamwork. In the end, they combined local materials like sandstone and mud with imported timber, used advanced masonry techniques, and organized large crews to build these incredible structures. These buildings still stand today as proof of their skill and ingenuity.